Yeah, he's going to charge the battery back up for you, honey.
I got it.
Press backwards.
Now come toward us.
There you go.
Yeah, the battery's going dead. I'll charge it for you. It's alright though, we get another day.
That's the car.
What?
That's the car.
He's gonna push the basketball. Push the basketball.
Okay, come on out of there, because this battery's fixing to die. Yeah, it's fixing to die.
4 feet.
Okay.